Welcome everyone to InspectMe. InspectMe is an inspection app created by PropertyMe, which allows the tenant to complete inspections electronically once they're created by the property manager. Firstly, make sure you've downloaded the InspectMe app from the Apple Store or Google Play, and that you have an activated tenant access portal login. You will use these same details to log in to InspectMe. If you've forgotten your password, feel free to reset this via the Tenant Portal Access login page. Once the tenant has received the email from the property manager saying the inspection is ready to complete, the tenant can log into InspectMe using their tenant access login details and start the inspection. Once logged in, a list of inspections will appear. Any faded inspections are previous completed inspections with view-only access. The non-faded inspections are ready for the tenant to conduct that inspection. Click the inspection that's ready to be conducted, and these are also depicted by the word inspect. When in the inspection, a list of rooms or spaces to complete will appear. These are all preset by the property manager. Click into each room to add in appropriate photos, notes, and photo notes. Take photos by clicking the icon in the bottom right. When you click on a particular photo, you can see the time and date stamp in the top right. You also have the option to add specific photo notes with specific information on that particular photo. So, add in any photo notes. Add any room or space generic notes. Just remember that all the data is constantly saving, even when you have no internet. Once you're connected to the internet again, the photos and notes will all upload to the inspection report for your property manager to see. As you complete each room, you're able to tick them off as you go, and it will move them to the bottom of the list. The image and notes icons will become bold, which indicates that information is recorded against these sections. Once the inspection is complete, all areas should be ticked and all areas should have bold image and notes icons. Now is the time to notify the property manager by a reply message of your completion for them to review and finalise. Tenants, please get in contact with your property manager if you have any questions, and property managers, please refer to the knowledge base for more information. And to everyone, enjoy using InspectMe.